Yeah, preparations was were still going to proceed. Let's say, basically we arrived yesterday at 3 o'clock in the morning. We had a wonderful trip, very easy after a wonderful stay also in Polokwane, where we profit from some time that we were together in the camp. It's always good to have a right ambience to be with the lads and also prepare the matches in the best way. After that, the focus is obviously or has been today on the recovery, and most of the players they stayed at home to rest because, as you might imagine, when you arrive at 3 o'clock, the most important thing is to release the players, to leave them get the energy they need, the support of their families, of the beloved ones. Obviously, that there was a group of players that trained today and very well. So myself, early in the morning, I was already here, and and tomorrow we'll join for that training session that I told you. That some of you joked a little bit that I was being pretentious, saying that I prepare a match in 20 minutes, but yeah, tomorrow is the 20 minutes training session because there's no chances to do much more than that. So 20 minutes of tactical work. The rest obviously is some warm up and prepare the boys for the level they need to then have on the session. And today, as you might imagine, a hard day's night, like the music says, because there's a lot of work to be able tomorrow in 20 minutes to condense all the information, prepare then the videos for the meetings we will have throughout the day and on the day of the match. And even the day of the match is clear. It will be the match is at 3:30, so not a lot of time. And we will try to cope with all these variants in order to naturally create our strategical approach on the match, so that we can be as strong as possible to put ourselves in the level needed to win the match, of course.
Thank you, coach. Please remember to introduce yourself. Start on the right here.
Coach, we hebben de